साबिक़ वज़ीर आज़म शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी कहते हैं नैब बरसरे इक़्तिदार लोगों के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं करता। लाहौर में एक तकरीब से खिताब में शाहिद खाकान अब्बासी का कहना था कि ना फौज, ना ब्यूरोक्रेसी, ना कारोबार ताजर बरादरी, किसी के खिलाफ नैब इस्तेमाल नहीं होता सिवाय सियासतदानों के, और इस सियासतदान का नाम है नवाज शरीफ। नैब चेयरमैन से पूछता हूँ अब तक कितना पैसा निकलवाया है नवाज शरीफ से।
What is the purpose of accountability and what has accountability delivered to the country? The purpose is very clear. There's been one consistency in all these laws. They don't apply to the people who created these laws. And the people who apply these laws, the laws also don't apply to them. And that is the reality of NAB today. The NAB does not apply to the judiciary. The NAB does not apply to the military. The NAB does not apply to the business community. The NAB does not apply to the bureaucracy. Who does NAB apply to? The politicians who are declared corrupt in the media. This is the 21st year of NAB. One politician of prominence has been convicted in NAB courts. One. Let the NAB chairman come out and say how much money has recovered from politicians. That one person is Mohammad Nawaz Sharif.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।